Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create group chat in Snapchat. So if you want to create a group chat on Snapchat with someone, maybe your friends, or you want to create a business group, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create a group on Snapchat, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app. Now, click on the friends icon, or better still, while on the camera page, all you need to do is just swipe right to review friends. Then on the navigation, you should see groups. So if you have any group available here, you should see the group. Now to create a group on Snapchat, click on this button. Then it should say, give your group a name. So I'm going to say Snapchat group. Then go ahead, select your group members. And then it should say all the group members here. Now go ahead and click on chat. Once you click on chat, you should see your group member here. If you click on the group Bitmoji, then you should see a list of all your group members here. And then that is it. Come to group members, and then you have access to all the group members you have. So that is basically how to create a group on Snapchat. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.